This call is now being recorded.
Yes, yes, we started recording. So we'll start the class. So that is what it is a little bit different from previous problem. So why it is different means in previous problem we have not find anything like harmonic. See the question here. Show that the following function u is harmonic. So when u is harmonic, when this condition satisfies, like uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. Correct. So when u is harmonic, when uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. What is this uxx means? Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. And also determine the corresponding analytic function. That we know, we'll do that one. So first thing is, we'll show this u equation is harmonic. So what we need, as you know, uxx uyy is equal to 0. So you should differentiate 2 times u with respect to x and else, and also 2 times u with respect to y. So that is what we're going to do now. Now see, here we have u, here we have u. So when you do differentiation, the two partial differentiation with respect to x, so cos hyperbolic y is constant, so keep as it is. Now sin x differentiation is cos x. Then here sin hyperbolic y is constant and 2 is constant. Now cos x differentiation is minus sin x, so only we wrote here minus 2 sin x sin hyperbolic y. Then x square differentiation is 2x, we wrote as it is. Now y square differentiation, that is constant, no, so this can be neglected because just we have y there. And here we have both the terms like x and y. So we are doing differentiation with respect to x. So 4 and y are constant, 4 and y are constant, but x differentiation is 1. So 4x into 1 is 4x. So like that we got ux. Now we got ux. We need one more time differentiation because of harmonic. So once again, when you do differentiation, so what we'll get, again cos hyperbolic y as it is. Now cos x differentiation is minus sin x, correct, that we wrote as it is. Next minus as it is, 2 as it is. Next sin hyperbolic y as it is, but sin x differentiation is cos x, yes, that we change it. Then 2 into x differentiation, that is 2 into 1, so we wrote 2. Then 4x differentiation, it is constant, so it is negligible because it is 0. Now we got uxx, and let us represent this equation as 1. So this is equation number 1. Now uy, so we did with respect to x now, so now we'll do with respect to y differentiation. So with respect to y differentiation we are doing, so that we'll keep x term as it is, like sin x is constant, keep as it is. Cos hyperbolic y differentiation, cos hyperbolic y differentiation is just sin hyperbolic y. Okay, cos hyperbolic y differentiation is just sin hyperbolic y. But differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. Everybody know this one. But hyperbolic function will get in terms of positive. This you should remember. Don't get confused for hyperbolic and regular trigonometric function. So now, as I said before, sin x as it is, cos hyperbolic y differentiation is just sin hyperbolic y, and here 2 is constant as it is, cos x constant as it is. Now this sin hyperbolic y differentiation is cos hyperbolic y. So x square is constant, so this is negligible. Minus y square differentiation, minus 2y. Then with respect to y differentiation we are doing, so y is 1, so 4x into 1 is 4x. So like that we got 4x there. So this is about uy. Next, once again differentiation. So when you do once again differentiation, what we're going to get, see here, sin x as it is, correct. So again sin hyperbolic y differentiation is cos hyperbolic y, then 2 as it is, cos x as it is, same thing, cos hyperbolic y differentiation is sin hyperbolic y, then 2y differentiation is minus 2 into 1 plus 4x differentiation is 0. So that is constant, no, it is 0, it is negligible. As we done uxx, similarly uyy we got. Now according to harmonic property, we need this part like uxx plus uyy. So what is there in between? In between plus is there, correct? We need to add those two equations like this and this because of harmonic property. So in LHS, if you add what we get, equation 1 and 2, when you add in LHS, we get UXX plus UYY, yes, we wrote. And I wrote RHS as directly 0. So how it is 0 means, observe here, this is UXX, this is UYY. Now see, when you add minus sin x cos hyperbolic y plus cos x sin x cos hyperbolic y get cancelled, correct? Same terms with opposite signs get cancelled. Similarly, minus 2 cos x sin hyperbolic y plus 2 cos x sin hyperbolic y get cancelled, and then plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. So it gives RHS as 0. Since it satisfies Laplace equation, therefore U is harmonic. So when it is satisfies Laplace equation means when you add, it gives the value as 0. So it satisfies Laplace equation. Therefore U is harmonic. Simple. So if it give for V also, this is the method you need to find. So if they given V, so what you're going to do, Vxx plus Vyy is equal to 0. Like that you're going to do. Now, so not this much, still it is there. So what is there? Also determine the corresponding analytic function. So corresponding analytic function, so what we have done previously, first step is we need to write U as it is, then we will, with respect to x differentiation we'll do, with respect to y differentiation we'll do. So already it is there. So here and here, see this one and this one, with respect to only one time partial differentiation we got there. And as you know, before f dash of z is ux plus ivx. Now, with the help of CR equation, we need to change vx to minus uy. Why we need to change means we know only ux value, we don't know vx. So with the help of CR equations, we have vx is equal to minus uy. So we substituted there. So it becomes f dash of z is equal to ux minus I into uy. Now you know both the values, correct? Now you know both the values, like ux value also you know, and then uy value also you know, correct? You substituted there. And now by substituting these ux and uy values in f dash of z, replace it by x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. We have done so many problems, same method only. So when you replace as x as z and y as 0, what are you going to get? That I'll show you. So directly I'll write, see ux, where x is z, y is 0. Now see student, cos x, so it is cos z, correct, in the place of xz. Next, cos hyperbolic y, cos hyperbolic 0. These two values you should know. Cos hyperbolic 0 is 1. Sin hyperbolic 0 is 0. Or sin 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. Like that also you can take. So now, when you observe that cos hyperbolic 0 is 1. So 1 into cos z, yes, just cos z. Next, minus 2 is there. Sin x is there. Sin hyperbolic 0 is 0. So 0 into anything 0. This can be negligible. This can be negligible. Adana no bariyalla. Next, 2z. So we wrote as it is. Correct. We wrote as it is 2z. Next, 4 into 0. Correct. This is 0 and this is negligible. This is negligible. So we got just cos z plus 2z as ux, where x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. So when you substitute those two values, you get like this. Next, so this is over. Next, what sign we have? Minus sign we have. Yes, we wrote as it is. Correct. Next, I we have as it is. Now uy, where is uy? Yes, here we have uy. Same thing, sin z into sin hyperbolic 0 is 0. So 0 into anything 0. This can be negligible. Now this one, 2 cos z. See, 2 cos z into cos hyperbolic y is 1. So it is 2 cos z into 1, 2 cos z. 2 cos z into 1, 2 cos z. Like that we got. Next, minus 2y. So it is 0. This can be negligible because y is 0. And this one, 4z, yes, as it is. So I hope you got it. We got f dash of z as cos z plus 2z minus I into 2 cos z plus 4z. Now we got f dash of z. Analytic function means what? F of z, correct? Analytic function means f of z. We got f dash of z. So when you do integration, see integration, how I going to say means, here I didn't wrote integration, but I know we integrated. How means, here it is f dash of z. So in next step itself, we wrote just f of z. So when the differentiation part will eliminate means only when you integrate. When you integrate this dash and that integration part will get cancelled to give f of z, and that is equal to cos z integration is sin z. See, alternative signs for differentiation of cos z is minus sin z, but integration of cos z is just sin z. So very, very important. And then 2 into z difference, z integration, z square divided by 2, correct? X power n differentiation integration is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, like that. So 2 to get cancelled to give just z square. Next, minus as it is, I as it is, 2 as it is, cos z, you know very well that is sin z. 4 into z integration, so 4 into z square divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so we get 2z square plus c. So basic integration rules like the integration of sin x, integration of cos x, integration of x power n formula. So when you know these formulas, it is enough to do integration here. And you can keep your answer like this also. Like this also you can keep, or else you can separate. You can separate like this. So if you feel difficult, just keep like this your answer. Okay. So this is your answer. So they will give full marks, so no need to worry about this step. So if they ask you to show that the steps means you can do this one. So what is there given? I is common, sin z is there. So you can take common some simplification. Z square is common. So when you do that one, we'll get that, or else you can keep your answer like this. So it is enough to write like that. So this is about f of z. So it is also very similar problems. Only thing we added here, harmonic. Only thing we have added here, harmonic. So this is about 7th problem. We'll move on to next one. So those who have any doubts in this 7th problem, you can ask, or else you can ask, or else we'll move on to next problem. See, only thing, say 2 times differentiation, that's all. And when you add, you'll get the answer as 0. See, you'll get answer as 0. That you should know very well, because when they ask show that or prove that, definitely LHS part will be equal to RHS part. If you're not getting 0 means you should check once again. So where anything you have done a mistake like that, you need to check. Definitely you'll get answer as 0. Differentiation part is very important, that you should do correctly. Next. Yes, we'll move on to next one. See, next one little much different, but almost this is also same. Like differentiation part is same, and then applying CR equations, that is also same. But only thing difference is finding UX and VX. So that is here you must know how to find that UX and VX. See, whenever like this question, it is very much different. So understand this problem correctly. So next problem will be definitely easy for you. So find the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv, given u minus v is equal to e power x of cos y minus sin y. So when you compare with previous problems, what kind of problems we have? Only real part they will be given, or only imaginary part they have given. So if they given both, like sum of real and imaginary, difference of real and imaginary, so this is called difference of real and imaginary, like u minus v is equal to e power x of cos y minus sin y. So our first step is very much common. So our first step is we must differentiate with respect to x with respect to y. First step is we need to write given data. So second step is we must differentiate with respect to x and with respect to y partially. See students, what happened? Ux minus vx, then e power x differentiation, e power x itself, correct? So this is constant, so keep as it is. So ux minus vx is e power x of same thing, cos y minus sin y we got. Next, so this is about equation number 1. So next is with respect to y we should do no partially. So uy minus vy, yes, as it is. E power x is constant, so we keep as it is. Now cos y minus sin y differentiation. So cos y differentiation is minus sin y, correct? Cos y differentiation with respect to y is minus sin y, and sin y differentiation is just cos y. So what I need for, so we got this one, I will underline this and this. We know now. Now what I need, how the steps I going to take in next next means, see here, we need to find f of z. So analytic function we need. So for that, what we need, f dash of z we need, then we'll integrate so that we'll get f of dash. What is f dash of z? F dash of z is ux plus ivx. So anyhow, you need these two variables to substitute in f dash of z. Then when you integrate, you will get f of z. Okay. So now how to find ux and vx? Now listen, students, this is about linear equation in two variables. See, one equation we have ux minus vx, and another equation we have uy minus vy, but not in terms of ux and vx. See, we need in terms of x, correct? In terms of x. See here, you can see in terms of x. So that what we'll do, students, will replace this uy and vy in terms of ux and vx. So that I'll show you how to replace. See here, we know two formulas. Ux is equal to vy, vx is equal to minus uy. So in the place of vy, I can write ux. Where is vy? Yes, here we have vy. So I replaced it to ux. It means y irbardu, x matra irbekanta. So for that, what we are doing, wherever in the place of vy, I will replace it by ux. So that we done. Now similarly, in the place of uy, we should write my vx. So here minus is there. So multiply minus on both the sides. Here plus will come, here minus will come. So multiply minus on both the sides. Minus into minus plus. Here minus into plus minus, like that. So in the place of vy, we need to write minus vx. See, that is what I wrote here. Using CR equation for the LHS of this equation in the form uy is equal to minus vx and vy is equal to ux. So that we have, correct? So you should by heart, as we said before. CR equation you should by heart. So now, yes. Who is that? Yeah, okay. So Shashi, see your audio, man. Yeah, okay.
ಅದು ಆಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಣ್ಣ
Okay, okay, off ಮಾಡಕ್. Okay, now see. So after that, what happened? I replaced. So I got like this expression, like minus vx minus ux is equal to e power x of minus sin y minus cos y. Now, what is common? Minus is common. Here also minus is there. Here also minus is there. So when I take it as common, so minus of ux plus vx is equal to minus of e power x of sin y plus cos y. So close the bracket. Now minus and minus get cancelled to give ux plus vx is equal to e power x of the simplified form we are doing. Since y we have minus there, so we can take like this. Ux plus vx is equal to e power x of sin y plus cos y. Now you can see this. We have ux minus vx equation. See here we have, and ux plus vx we have. So here we have, correct? So let us consider this as equation number 2. Equation number 2. So now, so how to find ux and vx? As I said before, f dash of z we need. So for that f dash of z, what we need, ux, vx separately. We have two equations with respect to ux and vx. That is ux minus vx, ux plus vx. We need to find. So it is look like linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Andre e formation x minus y ಮತ್ತೆ x plus y. So already you know how to find x and y when linear equation of two variables are given. Though this is basics in 10th standard, 12th standard, you have read already. See, so when you add minus x minus y plus y get cancelled to give 2x, correct? So similarly, when you add minus v plus v get cancelled to give 2 times of ux value, correct? So that ux value is there. Next, if you need this uy value, means you need to subtract. So when you want to subtract, what happen? It will change the signs. Here plus is there already, so we changed it to minus. Here plus is there, so we changed into minus. So minus ux plus ux get cancelled to give minus vx minus 2 vx. So that is what we have done here. See here, when you add two times of ux we get, when you subtract what you get, minus 2 vx we get. That I will show you in detail. So how we subtracted and how we got this expression, that I will show you clearly. So this is equation number 2. Now see the equation number 1. Yes, here we have equation number 1. So this is equation number 2. So when you add, what happened? Minus vx plus vx get cancelled to give ux plus ux, 2 times of ux. LHS I'm explaining this ux and ux. So it is 2 times ux. Then what we have? Then what is common? You can see e power x and e power x is common. So we can take outside. E power x as common. We should observe this e power x of cos y minus sin y ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So here e power x of sin y plus cos y ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ here we have e power x, here we have e power x, which is very much common. So we took outside. Then what is inside the bracket? That is cos y and cos y and minus sin y plus sin y. So minus sin y plus sin y get cancelled. Minus sin y plus sin y get cancelled. So cos y plus cos y is 2 times of cos y minus sin y plus sin y cancel ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ because of opposite signs and same terms. And then cos y cancel ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Why? Because both having same sign. There also we have plus cos y, here also we have plus cos y. Now e power x of 2 times of cos y can be written as 2 times of e power x cos y, where 2 and 2 get cancelled to give ux is equal to e power x cos y. So you can see this e power x is common, we took outside. Then minus sin x minus sin y plus sin y get cancelled. Cos y plus cos y is 2 times of cos y. So only we wrote like this, 2 to get cancelled to give ux is equal to e power x cos y. So you should observe clearly these two expressions. See next, 1 minus 2. What is 1? Ux minus vx minus. So here minus we need to take, correct? So plus ux minus ux get cancelled. So everything we need to change. No, here minus sign, here minus sign because of plus sign y it is there. Here also minus sign we need to take. So it will get cancelled to give minus vx minus vx. So we get minus 2 vx, that you know very well, as I shown now. So same thing. Next, what is common? E power x is common. Here also e power x is common. So we took outside, okay, e power x. Then what will get cancelled? See, plus cos y minus cos y get cancelled. Now minus 2y minus, so minus sin y minus sin y is minus 2 sin y. So just addition and basic simplification. So if you write only, you'll get to know. So how we going to get that step? So we got minus 2 e power x sin y. Minus 2 e power x sin y. So like that we got these two expression, and same thing, minus minus get cancelled, minus 2 get cancelled to give vx is equal to e power x sin y. So our aim is to find ux vx. So we got that one. Now we go for f dash of z. You know very well, f dash of z is equal to ux plus I vx, and both the values you know very well. So no need to replace anything by using CR equation. So directly you can substitute those two values. So in the place of ux, we got e power x cos y. In the place of vx, we got e power x sin y. So we substituted as it is. Next, what is common? Yeah, e power x is common. So what is remaining elements? Cos y plus I sin y. You can use here, put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0, or else cos y plus I sin y is, we know no, e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I into sin theta. That also we can apply. So we get e power I into 0. And here bases are same. Powers can be added here, e power x, e power I y. ಸೊ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ವೈ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಪವರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆಡೆಡ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ವೈ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು ನೋ, x plus iy is nothing but z. We can replace or put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. Put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. When you do that one, here z plus I into 0, correct? So it gives z. So we got e power z. Or else, you know already x plus iy is nothing but what? Z, correct? As a point of Cartesian form of complex number. So now e power z we got as f dash of z, but we don't need derivative of analytic function. That means f dash of z, we need just analytic function. So when you do integrate, what we'll get? E power z plus c as f of z. So this is your answer. Okay, I'll write the steps also. Here third step is we need to change this second equation, like uy minus vy to ux and vx. So we got here like that. We got next. Fourth step is we need to add and subtract to get ux and vx. Then fifth step is we need to write f dash of z ux plus I vx, so that you'll get f dash of z in terms of e power z. Then sixth step is we need to integrate, so that we'll get answer as e power z. So this is about this problem. So in today's class, we've seen only these two problems, and next problem is very much similar to this problem. That we'll do in next class. Now, from these two problems, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Recording stop mado. Now it is doubt session. So those who have any doubts, they can ask me.